Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install Java JDK 20.0.2 on Windows 11 or 10. So firstly open any web browser. Now here search Oracle Java. Now here click on this official site Java downloads. Just click on it. Now here you will see latest version of Java for Linux, macOS and Windows. Select Windows. Even select. Now here just click on this 64 installer and complete this downloading process. And once this downloading process complete, click on it. Then click on yes. Now click on next. Again click on next. Now close it. Now open File Explorer, C drive, then Program Files, and here select Java. Open this Java folder. Click on this bin folder. Now click and copy this path. Now here click on Start and Search Environment. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Now click on Environment Variables. Now double click on this path. Now here click on New and paste this address. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now open CMD. Run as administrator. Now search here Java. Space dash and version. Press enter. So we can see this Java JDK latest version is installed. So this is the way you can download and install Java JDK latest version in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching.